Hello friends, today I have brought another cool video for you. So I am going to show you how to make tripod using PVC accessories. Okay, let's start. We need PVC pipes, sockets, end cups, valve socket, faucet socket, nut and bolt, piece of 3mm PVC pipe. Also we need these tools. Firstly, cut 3 pieces of PVC pipe which have different length. Then using sockets we can join all 3 pieces. Aims are increase the strength and facilitate the mobility. We have to make 3 posts like this. Then make a hole on the end cup and attach nut and bolt. Then plug it on one side of the jointed pipe and normal end cup on the other end of the jointed pipe. Then we have to make this piece using 3mm PVC pipe as shown as video. To do that, heat PVC piece, make it flat, draw circle and create equilateral triangle using compass. Cut the circle and make little angle along the line of the triangle. You can see the angles. Then make holes as shown as video. Now we are going to make head of the tripod. For that we need these accessories. Follow the video to do this. It should be like this. This part we can join with our 3 posts. 2/3 of the construction is finished. It will look like this. Then we need selfie stick, piece of PVC pipe and faucet socket. Heat PVC pipe and attach it to selfie stick. Then this whole part can attach to faucet socket. Valve socket and faucet socket can join using its threads. Final product should be like this. Using level meter application, you can place your camera parallel to the ground. This is a basic idea. You can develop this and use for your works. Also, you can share your ideas by commenting. If you want to get notifications about videos like this, you can subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon, like, comment and share. Stay safe and cool. Thank you.